Snug-as-a-hug here. We are back working on the silicone mermaid tail. At this point,
this is gonna be right now.
At this point, we have the fabric tail part somewhat attached to the homemade monofin part. We are fairly stuck on here. We are stuck on at the sides, on both sides, and we still have the flip-flops inside. But everything seems to be like stuck. So we'll take that as a win so far. What I've done is I've done some measuring around my ankles, and I took a cushion inside some plastic bags and made it approximately the same size to kind of stuff in there, just so I can see how I'm hoping that it's all gonna lay when it's all done. So that's what the little lump inside is. And I think now I can sort of be a little bit creative as far as what we've got going on here. I don't expect I'm going to have much to say as I work on this, so we'll just speed the video up as this goes along, and you can kind of see as I cut and stick and do whatever it turns out to be. So there. So I've also just gone, and all those little bits and pieces that I had kind of chopped off, I know I want to take my silicone actually past the hard plastic. So as silicone supports, we'll call them, I just attached some of the old fabric bits in there with some more silicone. So we're also going to let those set up so that when we go to cover them, those are already there. So here's what I've decided. I don't mind how it's starting to look. So if things are going to go off the rails, I think they're going to go off the rails right now. Because I found some other things that I think I'm going to incorporate into this tail. I just cut the end off an old container of silicone. So I'm just going to squirt this into a bowl and maybe chuck some glitter in there and put some fiberglass reinforcing tape into here as well. And see what I come up with. So here goes nothing. Into the tail, I think I want to throw some bits of yarn. So I'm going to just coat those in silicone and schlop those down too. I'm going to put some fiberglass reinforcing tape in as well. I expect this will pretty much disappear once it's covered in silicone. figure anything that goes into the silicone is going to give it extra strength. So that's part of the reasoning for the yarn. Since we have some wet silicone and some glitter in a little shaker thing, I'm just going to shake some glitter onto it and see what happens. There we go. Woohoo! We are glittered. Okay. So what I have done now is I have taken a variety of glitters and sprinkled them kind of over top of that first layer of silicone that I put on. You can see our plastic goes to about here. We've got some of the reinforcing tape all the way down to there. Then we've got bits of fabric and stuff kind of laying down even past that. So I want to fill in with a little bit of glitter, because, you know, glitter. I kind of like the look of the pink glitter at the bottom. Kind of a Northern Lights sort of look to it, hey Kyle? Mm-hmm. And then, I think, this is the stuff that we used that didn't actually stick the flip-flops onto the plastic. But it's like a flexible rubber sealant. So I'm thinking if we spray it over the glitter, it should stick. We're gonna try. So we're gonna let that set up, and then I think we're gonna overcoat it with even more silicone. Ooh, should we put a little bit of gold?
Yeah.
There we go. Stay tuned and we will see how this all ends up.